The Samsung Frame TV is one of the most distinctive and visually appealing options available in today's 4K television market. Positioned in Samsung's lifestyle category, it differs from traditional OLED and QLED TVs by combining modern technology with an artistic design aesthetic. The Frame TV's standout feature is its slim design, which can display customizable photos or artwork on the screen, creating the appearance of a digital canvas when not in use. Users can also purchase swappable bezels in various colors and materials, enhancing the TV's ability to blend seamlessly into different home decor styles. The 2025 version of the Frame TV comes with some incremental upgrades such as improved color reproduction and a dynamic refresh rate mode that enhances its energy efficiency. These features make the TV particularly suitable for showcasing digital art on a large screen. The price range for the Frame TV starts at $999 for the 43-inch model and goes up to $4,299 for the 85-inch version. One of the main reasons to consider purchasing the Samsung Frame TV is its design. When mounted using the special slim-fit wall mount, the TV sits flush against the wall, making it appear like a genuine piece of framed art. Samsung's One Connect box also aids in keeping cables hidden, contributing to the minimalist, gallery-like look. Additionally, the anti-glare matte finish on the screen ensures that artwork displayed on the TV appears vivid and realistic, even in well-lit rooms. This feature alone makes the Frame TV an attractive option for those who want their TV to serve as both a functional entertainment device and a decorative element in their living space. For art enthusiasts, the Frame TV offers various ways to display curated or personalized digital artwork. Samsung provides a selection of 20 free monthly artworks as well as additional pieces available for purchase. The brightness sensors adjust the display based on the room's lighting conditions, ensuring that artwork and photos always look their best. The TV's color accuracy, certified by Pantone, aims to replicate how the artwork would appear in a real gallery setting. In terms of performance, the 2025 Frame TV also introduces energy-saving features like a dynamic refresh rate. The TV automatically lowers its refresh rate when in art mode, conserving energy while maintaining a smooth display. Additionally, motion sensors can detect when someone enters or leaves the room, switching the screen on or off accordingly. This feature can be enabled in the TV settings and is a convenient way to save energy when the TV is not being actively used. However, while the Frame TV excels in aesthetics, it may not be the best choice for users who prioritize top-tier picture performance for activities like movie watching or gaming. Other TV options, such as mini LED or OLED models, often offer superior contrast, brightness, and refresh rates at similar price points. For instance, a 55-inch LG OLED TV may be available for around $1,999, offering excellent image quality, albeit without the Frame's artistic features. The Frame TV's viewing angles are also somewhat limited, due to the anti-glare filter, which can cause color degradation when viewed from the side. The price of the Samsung Frame TV is another consideration. While it delivers on design, the picture quality may not be as impressive as other TVs in the same price bracket. Additionally, to achieve the full art-on-the-wall effect, users will likely need to purchase one of Samsung's optional bezels, which can add anywhere from $99 to $299 to the total cost, depending on the TV size. In conclusion, the Samsung Frame TV is a visually stunning option for those who value aesthetics and home decor. It may not be the best choice for those seeking the highest picture quality or the best value for money in a traditional TV sense. However, for those who prioritize design and want their TV to double as a digital art display, the Frame TV could be an excellent investment.